Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a basic Valentine's Day look. And the reason I call it basic is because I am no makeup artist. I am no expert at all. Your girl is a rookie, but I know the basics. Surprisingly, when I post pictures with makeup on, I get comments asking, are you doing a tutorial on this look? Can you tell me all the products that you're using and how you use them? And I'm like, really? You sure? Because I don't know, I just feel like, I know I'm not that good at makeup, but I do want to like experiment and try to do a video. I have a couple of videos on my channel doing makeup, but I don't do it super often because there's so many, like millions of makeup videos that you could watch to get like better, you know, makeup looks. But I will say a lot of those like super like glam perfect makeup tutorials, I'm not gonna lie, I watch a lot of them, but I never try it because I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna do that or look like that. I just like to watch it. So if you're like me and you feel like you can never do those like extreme kind of looks, then you can watch me. We're in this thing together, so if you struggle with makeup, I feel you. So it's not gonna be anything crazy. I just wanna do like a cute little Valentine's Day look with a palette that I really love. This palette has all kinds of pink and purple shades that I think would look so perfect for Valentine's Day. I love pink eyeshadows, like period. I probably wear them like most of the time that I do eyeshadows. So on Valentine's Day, I feel like that would be the perfect opportunity to bring this palette out. Us curly girls know when we wash and style our hair, we're pretty much washing it and wishing for the best. That's how I feel with makeup, so let's just get started and wish for the best. So as you can see, I don't have any makeup on my face. The only thing I did was fill in my brows. So if you haven't seen my brow tutorial, I have a video on that. Just check the link right up here. So to start, I'm using the Too Faced Primed and Poreless Primer, and this smooths any fine lines and fills in my pores. Now I'm using Scotch tape to make my eyeshadow look clean and sharp on the ends. I need all the help I can get. And I put it on my hand first to make it less sticky. Then I put it at an angle on the end of my eyes. I look scary. I'm using my bareMinerals concealer to prime my lids. I have other primers, but this concealer is really moisturizing and sometimes my eyelids get dry, especially in the winter, so I like to use this one. Now I'm using this light color to set the concealer and be the base for the colors I'm about to add on my eyelids. I'm using this fluffy brush to add this color in my crease, and I'm doing light back and forth strokes so I can build it up slowly. Now I'm using a smaller fluffy brush to add this darker color in my crease and outer V on my lid, and I'm blending that in. I'm adding this deep pink color to the top of my lid right under the crease for a transitional shade. I like wetting the brush for my lid color because it comes out more pigmented, and I'm using the color Love because it's only right for Valentine's Day. So I'm lightly applying that color to the inner part of my lids. Now I'm using this flat brush to highlight my brow bone. Now for lashes.
One eternity later.
It takes me forever to put them on and I hate it. I also hate putting on liner. Those two are the hardest parts of makeup for me. So I'm sorry guys, but I had to do them off camera. But for my eyeliner, I did a thin cat eye. Now I'm using MAC's Strobe Light Cream mixed with my bareMinerals foundation. I like the Strobe Light Cream because it moisturizes and brightens my skin. So I just dab it around my face and blend it in. Then I use my bareMinerals concealer to brighten my under eye area and dab that in as well. I'm using my eyeliner pencil to add some black eyeliner to line my waterline, and I'm tightlining the top as well. I'm setting my face with this Makeup Revolution banana powder. And I'm going back to my eyes to add color under my lower lash line. I'm adding the lighter color about 3/4 of the way in, and then adding this darker shade at the end of my eye. Then I'm just cleaning up any mess. Now I'm contouring with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, which I love, and I'm working it into the hollows of my cheeks and then around my hairline. I'm using this Milani Baked Blush and adding that to the apples of my cheeks and upward. Now I'm adding some more banana powder under where I contoured to make it look a little sharper, and I'm blending that in. You gotta glow on Valentine's Day, so I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow, and then my cheekbones. I love a red lip for any time of the year, but especially Valentine's Day, so I'm lining my lips with this red liner. And for the finishing touch, I'm applying one of my favorite lipsticks, the Winky Lux Double Matte Whip Lipstick in Shortcake. Okay guys, so this is the finished look finally. It took me long enough, but I had to concentrate super hard to make it look decent. So I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully you guys think it's cute. Really loving this lip color. I've been wearing it, and on Instagram a lot of you keep messaging me saying, what is that color? This is the Winky Lux liquid lipstick in Shortcake. So if you want to know all the products that I use, just check the description box below. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this look. It's just a soft pink eye, a red lip. If you guys decide to try out this look or at least something similar, let me know down in the comments below. If you don't have a partner to go on a Valentine's Day date with, no problem. Get a group of your girls and do Galentine's Day night. I love Galentine's Day. Stay inside, watch some chick flicks, or take yourself to dinner, have fun, treat yourself. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any ideas or want to see other kinds of looks, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.